Hi, welcome back. Now we're going to cover your sidebar. This is where we can quickly access anything we need in order to best take advantage of the features within Threo. We can start a new chat, search our old chats or projects. We can go into the studio and create or manage our experts. An expert is a collection of information that will allow us to complete a specific task without having to use that task again and again from scratch. Often experts are called agents, but they're a little bit different than the autonomous agents that we've been pitched on. From here, we would create one, including things that will allow us to start, help me reach out to a client. We can save it, add training documents such as a pitch or a script, connect it to our CRM or any tools we want it to use, add some memory so that we can continue to train this and allow this to evolve, or share it with members of our team. We either make these private or shared throughout our organization. Once we hit share, others are able to use it. Going back to the studio, you may see the agents card. The agents are autonomous agents that will handle a task end to end, such as creating an RFP or a scope of work, or answering HR questions or pricing questions for ourselves. We can also do things like create multi-LLM answer and question sessions. Connectors are MCPs or integrations that'll allow you to pull data from all of the different products that you use, such as Microsoft, 365, OneDrive, or Google Drive, or your CRM, such as HubSpot, Salesforce, Monday.com. Project management solutions like Asana can all have data pulled directly into your chat or into your automations. And projects allow you to collaborate on a specific set of work streams without pulling in memory from previous conversations. They are highly adaptable and flexible, and pretty soon you'll be able to share them with your colleagues. Once you do create a project, an expert, or an agent, you'll see they'll show up on your bar. Additionally, you'll see library. Library will actually show you runs of agents that you've done. Agents that you've pinned will show up on your sidebar, and all of your conversation history will exist here. You can take a conversation, rename it, you can move it into a project, or you can delete it. We also have a very powerful feature here that allows us to do things like switch to light mode, dark mode, change the way we want the background to look, change our color schema, allow for more spacing or less spacing, allow for more or less animations, and then even do things like change our font. If you're like me and you're on the other side of 40, you're even able to increase your font size or change how we want the content to sit, including resetting it back to default. This has been the sidebar training. I look forward to more sessions with